Dragonflies are incredibly agile and fast flyers, with some species reaching speeds of up to 30 miles per hour, 48 kilometers per hour. Some species, like the common green darner anax junius, can even reach speeds of up to 36 miles per hour, 58 kilometers per hour. During short bursts of flight, dragonflies' speed and agility are due to their unique physical adaptations. Such as their long, slender bodies, which reduce air resistance, and the large, multifaceted eyes, which provide excellent vision and help them detect movement. Their powerful thorax muscles, which enable them to beat their wings rapidly up to 80 times per second.